Welcome back, friends, and let's go with a simple service example. So here I'm going to create a very simple application, a sample application on service. So let me give it a name, service demo. So this is quite easy, my friend. This is a service demo, and here let me go with the empty activity, and here let me click a finish. Okay, so this is our application, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take two buttons. From one which can start a service, and second one which will stop a service. And when you press on a button, we will try to read the life cycle of a service, and we will try to generate a random number, and we will try to actually analyze the life cycle of a service. It's so simple, my friends. So these are okay. Let me just change this layout to, let's say, a linear layout. And I will set the orientation to vertical, and let me use two buttons, one which start a service so that it will run in the background, and second one will be stop a service. So start service, and on a click on second, stop service. So let me use this behavior. The first one is on click start, and let's say start, and here the second one on click stop, and this is going to be stop, and let me use the on click methods, back, and one more on click, back. So to invoke a service, we need a service. So that's why I'm going to create a simple service here from the Java. Make a right click, go to new, and here okay, go to service, and let me have a service. Let me say my RND, random number service. Okay, service. So it will generate a random number, and you can look out here, see a service is registered. All right, and we need to invoke it by using an intent, and this is your service, and you can override the lifecycle method. It is on create, and let me use on start command. Okay, this is the second means where service is spent the active lifetime, and on destroy to destroy service. And let me generate a random number. So I will use a private random, a class from Java, random, and new random, like this. And here I'm going to generate a toast. So toast is basically a class that can display a message, a short duration message. So let me use here a toast dot make text for this particular context, and it will show on create. All right, and a duration you can use out here, long. So it will show a toast. I will copy this line, and we'll paste it here before the return. And here we are having the on start command, and here we will return a random number. So you can use random dot next int, so it will just return int. Okay, and when we destroy it, I will just generate a toast that say on destroy. So it's super cool and it's super simple, and how you can invoke it by using an intent. So let me use here private intent, and here you can use intent, new intent from this to my service dot class, and very simple. You can invoke it whenever user press a button, a start button. You can invoke it by using a start service, not by start activity. So here you can pass a service. Okay, start service, this intent. That's all, my friend. And when a user press the stop button, stop service, okay, we will have a stop service with this intent. That's all, my friend, you need to do. And let me run this example, and let's try to analyze the behavior. Okay, there's an error. Where is the error? Okay, semicolon missing. All right, now let me run it. Okay, friend, carefully just make a analysis on this particular output. See, when I press the start, see it's showing on create, and then on start command with a random number. Now if I even close this app, see, and if I even run it once again, and if I press this start, it's showing on start command. It is not calling on create. Unlike activity, when you press a back, it will start from on create, but not in case of service. If I press it again and again and again, it will directly invoke on start command, on start command. So on create is for initialization. But when I press the stop, it will directly call on destroy. So here you can clean the resource and start 1 second. It will start from the scratch, that is on create and then on start command. So this is the basically the lifecycle of the service, and we will talk about more about all these 4 components in our advanced section. So content provider is not going to be covered here because it's a little bit of advanced topic. So be with us for our next course that is soon going to be launched, okay, on advanced, hands-on on advanced Android, which cover the UI designs and everything. And so thanks for watching it and hope you like this whole tutorial.